terrorists precise in importing news. The statements of US officials about the number of ISKP in Afghanistan are not true. Islamic Emirate spokesman Zabiullah Mujahid says that the remarks of US officials about Daesh in Afghanistan are untrue. Daesh activity has significantly dropped and US officials' comments are airing the group by raising its profile, which should stop. A senior member of Daesh killed in Kabul operation. The General Directorate of Intelligence says that the employees of this directorate conducted an operation on ISKP hideout in Police District 12 of Kabul city and killed a senior member of Daesh group Asad Laghmani, who was behind the Ministry of Interior mosque bombing. Citizens welcomed the latest decree of Amirul Mu'mineen. Citizens have welcomed the decree of Amirul Mu'mineen, which says that Islamic Emirate officials and employees cannot bid on contracts from ministries or the National Procurement Authority. Afghanistan is ready to work with the US, but sanctions must go. Maulawi Amir Khan Muttaki, in an interview with Al Jazeera, said that Afghanistan is ready to work with the US, but sanctions must go. Afghanistan's new leaders believe in dialogue and an exchange of ideas, but it takes two hands to clap. 41 military vehicles of different types repaired by the technical team of 203rd Mansouri Corps. Ministry of National Defense says that the technical team of the 2nd Battalion of 203rd Mansouri Corps repaired and restored 41 different types of damaged military vehicles. DAB to auction $15 million tomorrow. The DAB has announced that in order to maintain and stabilize the value of Afghani currency, it will auction $15 million on 26th of March, tomorrow Sunday. The bank has asked eligible banks, exchange and money services companies to participate in this tender.